YouTube, what's happening, man? Back with another food review, man. We got this new Papa John pizza, barbecue meats pizza. That's what it's called. So I'm gonna do a little food review real quick on this barbecue meats pizza. Y'all see it, man. Got the ham. Got a little bacon up in there. Sausage. Y'all see it. So, barbecue meats pizza from Papa John's. Let's try it. Pretty good taste to it. Not fat. Barbecue meats, pizza. I guess 9 out of 10. I'm rating this 9 out of 10. It's really good. Really good. So yeah, recommend it. Good taste, good flavor to it. Anyway, y'all know what to do, man. Hit that comment, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, you watch my videos. Next time, guys. Peace.